Exogenous ketones are known to increase blood flow to the brain and are a valuable energy source in addition for the brain. And this is especially true in older populations. And this is two of the reasons why we see ketones as a promising approach, not as a solution, but as part of the approach to older populations with various kinds of neurologic disorders. So yes, for many people, they experience improved focus, but there's a large degree of individual variation. And this is typically due to increased blood flow to the brain and increased brain energy from the ketones themselves.